In this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy or purchase a digital gift card on Steam. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking my video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, to do so, it is quite simple. Just head over to your account here and then click on it. Under this, click on account details. From account details, you'll be able to see various options here. Now, under the first option, which is account details, go ahead and click on this option, add funds to your Steam wallet. Now, from here, you'll be able to see your fund levels and the amounts here. From this, go ahead and go enter your Steam account and choose the last option, which is redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code. So from this will go ahead and take you to this new page, and if you scroll down here, you can see under redeem a gift card. If you have a code for any card, you can redeem it here, but to purchase a gift code, scroll down and then choose this option, purchase digital gift cards. If you go ahead and click here, now you'll see here quite a number of gift cards and the amount. For instance, this is for $5, we have this for $10, $25, and the list is just long up to $100. Go ahead and select the suitable gift card that you wish, and then you can search for the name of your friend that you wish to purchase it for, and then click on continue. Now you are told here that your gift will be delivered digitally using the method you chose. So the process will involve getting it delivered, writing a gift note, making your payment, and then reviewing your payment information, and then making your purchase. So that's how you can purchase a digital gift card on Steam. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.